Hello guys and girls, this is Nagu from nagutharan.com. So in this video, I am going to show you that unboxing for that LED ring light. Actually, this is the first time I am unboxing some of the Amazon product in my YouTube channel. So this is the product. It's that LED ring light, right? It's from Digitek. Actually, this product I ordered today afternoon, and within 4 hours I received this product, right? So this is the very first time I am opening this ring light. So actually it has one tripod which has the 5 feet, right? So this is the tripod inbuilt. We can expand this up to 5 feet. It's like, yeah, so this is the tripod, and how I can expand it, it's very simple. Here that lock is there. If we open this lock, right, if I open this lock, then we can expand this, so up to 5 feet, right? So I can show you. And I need to lock it again. Simple. So it's a 5 feet. So almost in my height, right? So this is the one product. The tripod is there here, and also I have a LED light, LED ring light, right? It has packed with beautiful box, right? So inside it, that LED ring light is there. So inside this, actually that LED ring light, and it's also having that smartphone holder, right? And this is that USB based thing, right? So this whole LED light width comes around the 10-inch, right? So this is the 10-inch LED light. So I can easily fit this on the tripod like this. So if I take this tripod and I little bit reduce the height of this, right? So you can able to see clearly. Okay, so I can simply unlock this like this. Actually I'm tightening this, right? So I can unlock this and put it like this, and I can put the light, just unlock this. I think how I need to do it, something is different. I need to check it. So anyway, I will show you this. So if we don't know how to fix this on this tripod, they are providing that user manual. So this user manual will help you. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to read this user manual and show you how we can fit it in a live demo. So until then, I am just pausing this video. Okay, so I read the manual and understand how should I fix this ring light on this tripod. So what you need to do, you need to just release this knob by rotating this like this. You can rotate completely and open this, and it will come separately. So after you release this knob, then you will get one small hole here, right? So this hole, you will get it here. So we need to fix this hole on this tripod. It's very easy. I'm just put like this and just rotate. That's it. So I fixed this. Now we can rotate this up to 180 degrees like this or this, right? And in some angle we can fix it and tight this knob. Then this ring light is set like this. Okay, now that ring light is ready, what I am going to do, I am going to connect this USB port on my computer, on my laptop, right? So I just release this wire and I just connecting this USB port on my computer. So what I do, simply connect this. So I just switch off the fan so that my voice will be very clear, right? So I connect it. Now this wire is giving us that some control on this. So if I click this plus, I need to first turn on the light, right? That light is on. You can see that light is on. I am off the light now, right? And turn on again and off the light now and turn on again and just dim the light like this. I am dimming this light completely, right? Then I am just putting the brightness on this light. So this much brightness we can have it, and it also the warm light, this is the warm light and this is the cool light and this is the normal light. Now I am going to put the light on my face and see how this video looks like. So now it's there in my face. This is the warm light and this is the cool light and this is the normal light. I am just increasing the light and I am just decreasing the dim, right? Increase, change the mode, it's a warm mode, and this is the cool mode. It's very cool, right? And this is the normal light. Warm, cool, normal. Warm, cool, normal. So that's it. So this is my unboxing video for this LED ring light, which comes with 5 feet tripod along with. So I hope you like the review video. This is the very first time I'm unboxing this kind of Amazon products. So if you are like this video, please press the like button down below this video, and of course I have shared the Amazon link where I have purchased this product down below on this YouTube video description box. If you want to purchase this ring light, you may use that. So thank you. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.